card. If you write every day 1 or 2 programs, that gives confidence to you. Other than that, nothing. Yeah. So let's write a simple program, map. I'll show you map demo, then we'll go for the actual interview programs. Okay. Map demo. So take a main method and create a map. I want to give product and product price. Okay, so key is the product, value is a double or integer, whatever you want. Price, how you will define? Price generally a double, right? A double you can define. I'm going to create a map. So see, there is a generic types. Key value, you have to specify both. Key is of string type and value is of double. So you have to give a wrapper class double. You have to give a wrapper class double. Product map equal to new hash map. New hash map. So import this map. Both will be imported. So it's not imported. Yeah, it's imported now. So you can find out map size and elements in the map. Okay. So system dot out dot println. So map size is product map dot size, which will give you the number of elements in the map. Map is just print the map, directly map name you give, it will print. Now execute this. So you won't get any values because we haven't inserted any entries into the map. 0, double empty curly bracket. Now let's insert the entry into the map. So how can you insert? You have to use a put method. Put key and value, right? Key and value. So prod map. So put method. So product name, you can give anything. iOS, right? Mobile. iOS 15, otherwise I will give iOS 15. And the value we can give. So $1,000. Okay. And then prod map dot put. You can insert put if absent. You can use if. If it is not there, it will enter. You can use put if absent also. That will also insert. It is throwing error. You have to give a double. Okay, so double data. Prod map dot. So put and I can give So prod map dot put. So like that you can insert many values. Okay. So now you can just call this these two things. So you can observe whether this insertion order is displaying or not. Okay. Whether this insertion order is displaying or not. It won't be. So I already mentioned. So map doesn't maintain insertion order. Hash map doesn't maintain insertion order. See, Lenovo we inserted here, third one, but it is showing first entry. So then iOS 15, then Samsung, then Apple Watch, then there is no order. That's what order is not guaranteed. It's unordered, unordered. So entries. So that's the first one. Let's put method we have seen, right? Now let's see what is uh, get method. So get method, how to use. So you just give the key, it fetches the value. You want to access the value from the map. So what is the method we need to use? Get method. So prod map dot get. See this, the return type is a double data type, it returns. So I want to give Samsung phone. So now you can print directly because it is giving a value, right? You can print it. System dot out dot println. So we can get it. So error, where is the error? So we have to see which line we have error. Bracket is missing somewhere. Yeah, at the end. So that's the get method. It gets the value. See, 700. So you just given the key, it is getting the value. So that is what this key value pair. Okay. So next one, contains key. If you want to remove. So remove method also there. You want to delete. So remove. So if you give the key and the entry will be removed. See prod dot remove. So I'll remove Lenovo. So after removing, you try to print the values. So you can write after removing, after deleting one entry, then map size. So you can execute even from here also. That's the advantage with the IntelliJ. See now, first there was 5 elements were there, 5 entries were there. And now only 4 entries. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 entries will be there. You can try to give, I want to give exercise. You give, same entry, and then what will happen? You see that. So that's exercise for you. You, for example, you entered this Samsung phone, right? Next time Samsung, you give same key, you give same value, change it. What will happen? You see. Okay, that's what you need to try it out. So I already given all these exercises. Just try it out. Next, we have contains key. So very important method. Contains key. You can just check whether the key is present in the map or not. So broad map dot contains key. So Apple Watch. So I want to check Apple Watch is present or not in this map. So you will get a Boolean value. So execute that. You should get a true. Okay, should get a true. So something which is not present, you can try it out. Suppose you are checking deleted one, Lenovo, right? You deleted Lenovo. So just check Lenovo is present or not. You should get a false here. See, now you will get a false. See, false. Lenovo is not present in the map. So that's a contains key. Same way contains value also there. You can use contains value. So just searching in the map, particular value is present or not. So that's what the, so I want to search this value is present or not. That's it. Okay. So you should get a true because so it's present. This value is present in the map. Next, yeah, we have seen all the methods. Let's see one more important method. Key set method. So key set method, what did it do? It fetches all the keys. Fetches all the keys. And return type is set collection. Return type is a set collection. So now, if you see that, set. So only keys, right? Keys data type is a string type. So keys collection equal to broad map dot key set. So return type methods. Again, see, you need to understand. I'm keep on repeating the return type methods. So the data type of the method, the variable name equal to object reference dot the non-static return type method. So that's what we are using. So import the class set interface, and you can get it here. Okay. Now, so you got a collection, set collection. Set collection, you can iterate with either a iterator interface or for each loop. Only two you can use, not normal for loop. You cannot use a normal for loop to iterate that. Okay. So any questions on that? Which one you want me to use? Normal for loop or iterator?
Iterator.
Iterator.
So iterator is a iterator say string type it equal to keys collection dot iterator method. So while so it dot has next. If every element we are iterating, so all of them you are printing. So you can print each one. So sys out dot println and it dot next method. Next method just extract the value, right? So maybe I'll try to use print method and then I'll just print in the same line /t. And then I'll bring the cursor to next line. ln. So which brings the cursor to next line. Okay. So that is the key set method, very important method. We are going to use many times this one. And let's see this. See, all the keys only printed. Next, entry set method. So entry set method fetches all the entries into set collection. So the data type is map.entry is the data type. So again, this has a type map.entry. That is the return type. So set collection. So map.entry. If you don't know, so you will write the method, then you will get automatically the type. So map.entry, here you have to do each entry type is of string comma double. So that's the each entry type. Entry collection equal to prod map.entry set. See entry set. So when you write directly, you can write a entry. So even map.entry also not required, but entry you can write. So that's it. Now this is a collection, right? Again, collection you can iterate either by iterator method or by for each loop. Let me use for each loop. Okay. So the data type of this collection is this is the one. This is the data type. You need to write that data type. And then variable. You write the variable. Entry colon. So entry collection. The collection name. So now this is the each entry from this collection you are going to fetch. Each entry has a key value. I want to print each entry key and each entry value. So to print each entry key and value, so you have to use get key, get value method. So key name. So entry dot get key value plus entry dot get value. You can see there is a methods all both. So you're getting both entry key and entry values. So it will return all of them. Just I'm writing in each line. See that key and value, key, value, key, value, key, value. So that's the get key and get value method. Every entry inside you have a key and value. So those values, those names, how you can get? By calling the get key method, get value method. So when you use entry set, this is how you can use. Even you can call with iterator also. Iterator also you can use for this. Try it out. So using iterator, you can iterate this and try to use that. Next. So these are the very important methods. There is a put all method. You can add another map into this map. That also you can do. And linked hash set is the one I want to show you. Linked hash set. So when you use this is the not ordered, right? When you use a linked hash set, it will be insertion order will be maintained. Linked hash map. If you use a linked hash map, so see this order will be maintained. Whatever the insertion order, so same order will be maintained. You can see now. Can you see here? So insertion order, first iOS, then MacBook, then Lenovo, Samsung, Apple Watch. So linked hash map will maintain the insertion order. Hash map doesn't maintain the insertion order. That I have given logics and code, how it works internally hash map. I have explained very so detailed way. So if not attended those classes, please watch our YouTube channel and it is uploaded already in the YouTube. So watch 3-4 times so that you will get a better idea on that. Okay, so any questions here? So same methods I'm going to use in the interview questions. Okay. No questions. Let's move on to the next map string interview questions. So with the map, you can do string programs. String programs. Okay. The first program is private static void. So I want to print each character, how many times it is occurring. So in a string, in a given input string, each character, how many times it is occurred, I want to print that. So how can you print that? So find occurrence of character occurrence. Find character occurrence. So character occurrence in a given string. String str. So this is the program we are writing. Let me write here also. So write a program to find each character occurrence in given string. Okay. Write a program to find each character occurrence in a given string. So whatever the string you give, in that string, each character, how many times it is occurring? Suppose you take this string str equal to, so can you tell me how many times j is occurring? So so it should print like this. Output will be like this. And j, so j how many times occurring? 2 times. And next, a how many times occurring? 1, 2, 2 times. Next, v 1 times. Next, a, j, v is over 2. 2 how many times? 1 time. Next, e how many times? 2 times. So this is the how your output should be. So did you understand now what is happening? You are giving a string, but it should print like this. So what is this? Can you anybody tell me what is this again? Key value, key value, key value, key value. So what is the key type, data type? What is the value data type?
Key is a string data type and value is integer data type.
Yeah. So key is a character data type and the value is a integer type. So that's the first thing you have to, let's print the string, okay? System dot out dot println. So string values. I'm just printing the string. And then first step is step 1, create a map. Okay, create a map. So you create the map. So for that, map angular bracket character. So wrapper classes I'm using, all wrapper classes I'm using, and integer. So hm equal to new hash machine. So import this map, and both are imported perfectly. Okay, that's the first step. Then step 2. So you convert this string into character array. Convert string into character array. How can you do that? Using which method?
Char
Array.
okay.
Char array method we have to use. So character array. So ch array equal to and str dot char array. So that's a step 3. Now step 3 is step 2 is just converting that. Step 3 is iterate the character array. Character array using for each loop or for loop. So I'll use for each loop. You want me to use for each loop or for loop? Normal for loop. Let's use for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than character array dot length and I plus plus. If so hm dot contains key, if hm contains this key, right? Each key, so character array of, so contains character array of I, if that contains, so what you need to do? If it is already there, you have to add that dot put method. So that character this character you need to keep, and also that number. You need to get that character count, the value. So, hm dot get. So you give the character array +1. So one extra. We're given 2, right? Why it's complaining? We'll close here. So 1, this one is get method. And this is the extra we are getting. Yeah. Now we are perfect. So else, what you can do, just take this. That means it is not there. This key is not present in the map. So same key you print, just one time only it is occurring. So that's why 1 you print it. That's it. Remaining you print the maps. So system dot out dot println. So the map is so just call this method and under main method. So you give the string value. Java C2 ASP. Okay. So now execute the code. Why it is getting another one? We are executing this one, right? That is, so I want to execute this one. Yeah. Now you can see P1, A2, 2, 1, S 1 time, E 2 times, V 1 times, J 3 times. So this is a key value pair. Key value, key value, key value. So that's the how to make it a simple. Even you can make it a better way. Instead of converting this into without converting, you can try with a string dot. So you iterate the string and then get a caret method. So get the character and the caret method str dot caret